This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday, May 7th. I'm James Spann. Pretty amazing. Alabama in between some active weather, potential for tropical mischief to the east, and a series of severe weather days to the west. An upper ridge will stay in place. That'll bring the warmest weather so far this year by the weekend, maybe touching 90 in spots. How about that? Off to the west, you can see troughing, and that's going to keep the weather very active across the southern plains. And what could be a preseason tropical system off in the Atlantic, off the South Atlantic coast. How about that day yesterday? 50 tornado reports from Texas to Nebraska. It doesn't mean 50 different tornadoes, but 50 reports. And a flash flood emergency in Oklahoma City for a while last night. Haven't heard a lot of those out in that part of the world lately. Around here, we're starting off the day mostly in the 50s. Look at Fort Payne, nice and cool. They've got 50, Birmingham 59. Again, we'll expect mid-80s today. Up on a watch warning map, flash flood warnings for some counties in North Texas and Oklahoma. North of the state, a dense fog advisory around Nashville, but that's about it. But later today, more active storms west of the state. The standard slight risk of severe weather from Texas up through parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk for parts of Texas and Oklahoma. And look at this now. This is day 3 on Saturday. There is a moderate risk for parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. This could be a very active day. And then on day 4, which is Sunday, a severe weather risk west of the state. And Monday of next week, this is day 5, the guys at SPC define a slight risk into extreme northwest Alabama. We are still less than impressed with any severe weather chances here, as you'll see. But hey, this must be May. This is the most active tornado month of the year for the country. So it's not that odd to have a pattern like this. Look at the rain off to the west. Big rains, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, up to the Great Lakes. And with our tropical system, that's an 11.5-inch bullseye offshore east of the South Carolina coast. And around here, this is suggesting rain amounts maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. And again, this is valid through Tuesday morning of next week, and this would be showers that might show up Monday or Monday night. All right, there's our preseason tropical special. The system is off the coast of Georgia. The guys at NHC give it a 70% chance of developing into a tropical or a subtropical storm. You can see the convection is not particularly gathered close to the center at this point, but we'll watch developments today. If something happens, it'll just kind of hang around off the coast of the Carolinas for a while and then ultimately move out to sea. No impact on the weather here. Intensity guidance, most models bring it up to a tropical storm and keep it there for the next 5 days. All right, model fans, here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. Same story, big trough in the west, ridge in the east. Under the ridge, the tropical system. And the bottom line is for us, the weather not changing much today. Sunny with mid-80s. This is tomorrow, Friday. Same thing, we're warm and dry. Tropical system is just east of Charleston. Saturday, the weekend begins. You can see trouble for the southern plains with that deep surface low over southeast Colorado, where severe weather is likely for Kansas and Oklahoma, maybe parts of North Texas. But again, you see maybe evidence of a shower over extreme North Alabama, but again, we're less than impressed. This is the high-res NAM, valid Saturday at 1, showing nothing. Could a shower pop up Saturday afternoon somewhere over North Alabama? Yes, but the chance of any one spot getting rain is seemingly so small now, we're not going to mention that. And really the same thing on Sunday. Our deep surface low is over in Nebraska, with again severe weather possibilities south and east of that. We might mention a small chance of a shower Sunday over the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama, but most of the state will stay dry. And again, highs for the weekend pretty close to 90. It's going to be hot. Monday, the surface low is north of Des Moines with showers and storms over West Tennessee and North Mississippi, and those will likely move in here Monday night. And as the surface low keeps moving north, gaining latitude, I'm just not convinced we have any severe weather. And really, maybe not that much rain. This is Tuesday. The front is kind of dying, but it's drifting through here, so there will be a chance of showers late Monday night into at least part of the day Tuesday, but just not impressed with severe weather possibilities. And then Wednesday, we're in dry air. Humidity value should come down, highs around 80, lows maybe back in the 50s. And this is a week from today. This is Thursday, May the 14th. Still got ridging nosing in here from the Gulf. No really cool air involved, but that does look dry, and the humidity should be a bit lower. We'll check the end of the forecast, May 16th. Still, most of the really good wave action is up over Canada with ridging this time in the west and troughing in the east, but around here it's a ridge nosing in from the Gulf, kind of muggy, maybe a shower, but nothing overly exciting. And bottom line is we don't see any really headline weather events for the first half of May. We stay pretty warm. Look at the low 90s showing up on that thing, on the ensembles here, Friday and then again Sunday. We drop back in the low 80s by the middle of next week and then slowly rise after that. But again, those numbers are looking more and more like summer. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.